Hi, we continue with our beginner lessons. We already learned simple questions with be and with verbs. Today, we learn WH word simple questions with be. So let's get started. Okay, we use WH words to ask questions. We call them WH words because they start with WH. Example, where, when. So both words, they start with WH. Every word or every WH word asks about a specific question or a specific information. That is to say, when we use a WH word, we are asking about a specific information or a specific meaning. Now, let's see what are these WH words. We use what to ask about an object or name. Example, what is your name? We use who to ask about a person or people. Example, who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Ater. Another word, we use where to ask about a place. For example, where are you from? I'm from Morocco. I'm from Japan. I'm from France. We use when to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? My birthday is in September. And we use why to ask about reason. Example, why are you unhappy? I'm unhappy because I don't like my maths score. Another WH word, how old are you? How old are you? I'm 17. I'm 18. Okay, now it's time for a little of practice. It's very simple. I give you a WH word and you tell me what is its meaning, okay, or what is its signification. Okay, we start? Good. How old? Excellent. The meaning is age. Another WH word, where? For you? Yeah, good. Place. Another word, when? For you? Excellent. It's time. Another word, what? Yes, good. For objects or names. Another word, why? For you? Yeah, excellent. Reason. Another word, who? You? Yes, a person. Okay, you did very well. Now, one more exercise. You have to complete the question with a WH word. Question number 1. Blank space. Is your favorite color? It's blue. For you? Yeah, excellent. What is your favorite color? Because color is an object. Sentence number 2. Blank space. Is your birthday? It's in September. For you? When is your birthday? Very good. Because birthday is a celebration and we celebrate it once a year, okay? So in this case it's September, and September is a time. Sentence number 3. Is that girl? She's my sister. For you? Excellent. Who is that girl? Girl or sister is a person. So who? Sentence number 4. Is the library? It's across the street. For you? Where is the library? Excellent. Where? Because library is a place. Last sentence. Is your brother? He is 14. For you? Yeah, good. How old is your brother? Old? I'm 14. He is 14. 14 is age. Okay, so how old? Well, it's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for your support and encouragement. See you next lesson. Bye.